People in different countries like eating different things. Do you know what kinds of food British people like? Let's visit Mary in London and see. Mary has breakfast every morning. Her favorite breakfast is 2 eggs, some sausages, and toasts. It's a traditional English breakfast. For lunch, she usually has another kind of traditional English food, fish and chips. There are a lot of fish and chips shops in London, and Mary buys her lunch there. Mary also loves tea time. She has tea with milk and a tasty cake at 5 o'clock. Mary's friend Anna lives in Moscow, Russia. What does Anna eat? For breakfast, she has some tea and 2 sandwiches. She has some soup for lunch. Anna has potatoes with meat and vegetables for dinner. Anna also has a bite to eat after her lessons. It's often some biscuits, chocolate or pizza with lemonade, juice or Coke. But most of all, she likes cold dessert, popular with all Russian children, ice cream. Anna likes different flavors of ice cream: vanilla, chocolate, fruit. She eats ice cream a lot. She eats ice cream in hot and cold weather. At home, in cafes, and outside. There are special ice cream festivals in Russia. They are fun. Anna buys ice cream in shops and kiosks, and now she wants to buy an ice cream. She's screaming for ice cream. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'd like an ice cream.
What flavor?
Vanilla, please.
Here you are. It's 35 rubles.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Anna likes eating ice cream. It's yummy. Do you like ice cream? What's your favorite flavor? So, now you know about traditional British food. You can talk about food you like, including ice cream. You can buy an ice cream speaking English. It's high time to practice and do some tasks.